Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand how to view GSTR 3B with a breakup of input tax credit or ITC from the current and other periods in Tally Prime. When you purchase certain goods and services, you receive ITC. However, there might be difference in return periods for some vouchers in books and those on the GST portal. This happens when your supplier reports an invoice on the GST portal later in a return period. And that return period is different from the period in which you had recorded the purchase voucher. In a different scenario, you might have missed to account for a purchase. So, you had recorded the purchase voucher in books in a return period. And that return period is different from that in which your supplier has reported the corresponding invoice. In such cases, the ITC amount will be from another period. Generally, in the current period, most of the ITC is availed from the purchases recorded in the current period. Some of the ITC will be from purchases recorded in the previous periods. However, it is pushed to the current period for availing ITC as per GSTR to be. Sometimes, it might happen that your supplier has not uploaded the sales invoices in GSTR 1. For such purchases, you will be availing the ITC in a future period. Let's see how to view the ITC breakup for a return period. Press Alt-G. Type 3B and open GSTR 3B. Now, let's press F8 to view the ITC breakup. Alternatively, you can directly navigate from Go to. Press Alt-G. Type ITC and open ITC breakup of GSTR 3B. Press F2 to change the period if needed. Enter the from and to dates. Now, press F12 to configure the report to view it with ITC from other periods. Set Show Breakup of Tax Amount as No. Set Show ITC Move to Other Periods as Yes. Press Ctrl A to save the configuration. Now, you can view the total ITC. This includes a breakup of ITC that belongs to the current period, ITC from other periods, and ITC moved to other periods. Now, if you want to identify the period from which the ITC is moved to the current, then drill down from the column. Press F5 and view voucher-wise. You can see the transactions belonging to different periods along with the tax amount. You can also view the ITC of the current period moved to other periods. Drill down from Move to Other Periods. Press F5 and view voucher-wise. You can see the transactions moved to other periods. As you saw with the ITC breakup of GSTR 3B in Tally Prime, you get to know the ITC from the current and other periods. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp for assistance. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.